I have been seeing many former competitors take to social media platforms regarding body image, post-contest years body image. Not former Rev members, just former athletes in the world on TikTok. And many of them struggle immensely with this. From what I gather watching these videos, a lot of these body image issues predominantly stem from the fact that they are personal trainers, they are nutritionists, and it seems as though their followers or their clients expect a certain image of them, and therefore they feel stressed to continue presenting this image that is expected of them. Lo and behold, stage lean is not a realistic physique that you can sustain year-round. Personally, I think looking stage lean is freaky as f***. It's great for the sport, for what I'm trying to attain in the sport, but walking around with pec striations isn't really my jam. So you have athletes like myself who are extremely comfortable, whether they are in stage lean conditioning or they're 10 to 15 pounds above stage weight. That is where I am happiest. But what is interesting is the moment I gain weight, I now look out of shape in comparison to what I looked like on stage, when realistically I am still in great shape. But many people, both the athlete, the former athlete, and their followers have a specific expectation of what their physique is supposed to look like. That is a lot of pressure. That is an overwhelming amount of pressure. In addition to this, as Instagram helped gain popularity in the sport of bodybuilding, it also attracted a lot of individuals, and I hate to say this, mostly women, men too, but a massive growth amongst women. And it attracted individuals that may have gotten into the sport for the wrong reason. What happened is, in my opinion, is when these folks got into the sport, I don't believe that their coaches did the best job explaining to them the expectations of this sport and what can come out of this sport, both positive and negative. Most, not all, but most were not assessing their new client. They weren't analyzing this new client's background and history and maybe current issues that they are dealing with. They weren't looking for red flags. They weren't looking for possibilities of eating disorders or body dysmorphia. Many of them didn't give a shit. And that is so up. Now, this is not all coaches. I am friends with some truly beautiful, smart, amazing coaches. I love the shit out of them. But they would agree that they have seen this side of the sport. Now, this isn't easy for all athletes, but I do believe it is important for you to have a good sense of self-confidence, self-worth, no matter what you look like, whether you're stage lean or you're in your off season. And when I say off season, it doesn't mean you stop. You shouldn't even be in this sport if bodybuilding, not the sport, not the competitive side of bodybuilding, but bodybuilding as what do you do in the gym, as a lifestyle, lifting weights regularly. If that's not your lifestyle already, you shouldn't be competing because it's not a phase. If you are somebody who has been bodybuilding for years, but you never necessarily stepped on stage, you have a good sense of self-worth, you have a good sense of body image, positive body image, you have a healthy relationship with your body, you have a healthy relationship with working out, you have a healthy relationship with food, and from there you now want to take things up a notch, awesome. That is so Cool. I'm all about it. That's why I got into this sport. I had been working out for years. I love being strong. I love lifting heavy weights. I love bodybuilding. I love food. I had a healthy relationship with food and my body. But I said to myself, I'm just curious. How far can I take this? I did it. I had so much fun with it. I loved it. I never once felt down about how I looked through the years, whether I was trying to increase my weight, trying to build muscle, or leaning out for a show. Like, I was always happy, satisfied, we're good. If you have that mindset, awesome. Now they say, never be satisfied. Okay, that is a whole other topic. Yes, because bodybuilding is all about evolving and bringing a better package to the stage next year, but you need to do it with a positive mindset, with a healthy mindset. There is a fine line between looking forward to how far you can take something versus this is toxic as shit. I hate my body. I need to do this and this and this. There's a fine line between the two. But if you have a good grasp on that, then heck yeah, let's push it. Let's see what you can do. I'm all for it. Yeah.